I think that was the ghost, actually.
But you can lay in bed and wash your hands in the bathroom.
I can totally turn the faucet off.
This is the room. This is the closet. This is where Erica and Joe are sleeping later tonight.
Joe, you better not try anything.
Right down there.
That's
the door.
You mean like walking?
That's the bed.
Actually, the part of the hallway can go like...
It could go right here. This is the end.
It's you instead of him.
This is the end
Go
here.
out of bed.
You know what? I should have brought like.
The whole room. That's it.
I brought my bathing suit, so I was like, I wonder if there's a hot tub here.
What time is the actual wedding, did you say?
5:30, so yes.
Oops.
You said that like 100 times.
I'm like, yes, I actually told you it was the answer.
So we don't need to like rush and get changed.